Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm filming a productive day in my life. I have a lot of stuff that I need to get done. I need to edit a video. Start editing a video. I need to finish cleaning my room. Have to go to work because I had to take a car hop test for my job today. And I also got to go to work on top of that. And check up on some emails, some school. So yeah, today's gonna be like a pretty crazy day. So if you like more productive day in my life videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm thinking, since I'm out of school, well, I'm not out of school, but since I have online school now, I was thinking about going back to uploading twice a week, maybe even 3 times a week. So let me know what you think about down in the comments down below. And so yeah, let's just get into this. I have a lot to do. Alright, so like I mentioned, I need to clean my room because my room is a mess. Like, because we cleaned out my closet yesterday, so I just have stuff everywhere. So I'm just gonna clean my room. Well, like my little desk area is cute. We're gonna go clean out my dorm, moving out Saturday. So, and I don't work tomorrow, so tomorrow I have a free day. But this is what my room is looking like right now. This is the closet right now. She's pretty much, I'm out. There we go. She's pretty much organized. I got some of my shoes, but there's just a lot of stuff that I need to do because she's a mess. Her bags. So this is the progress I made so far. Probably like, girl, what progress? But this is what it looks like. And I've just been watching some YouTube videos. Right now I'm just watching Alyssa Ashley. So yeah. I finna get dressed soon to get ready to go. As you can see, this is the setup that I have going. Because it's 2 something now. It's currently 2:05. Can you see that? It's 2:05. So I'm gonna get dressed in about 5 minutes. Do something with my hair because this ain't gonna fly. I need to put on some clothes. But I'm gonna clean my room for 10 more minutes. Like, just try to get this stuff up, at least get this side. And then when I come back, I can like make up my bed and do whatever and finish the rest when I come back. I'm back. I decided I'm gonna, you can barely see me, let me back up. So I'm back. Decided I'm gonna wear the Crocs. It's 2:24. I need to go because I need to be there by 2:50. You can hardly see it, but 2:24. So yeah. Alright, so I'm continuing this part of this day in my life on my phone. Well, not day in my life, a productive day in my life. Well, same difference. But I'm being productive, so it's not the same. So I'm about to go to my job. I'm about to go to Sonic. I'm going to my old Sonic I used to work at because that's where my test is going to be given. And then I have the testing here so I can go over it and study real quick before I have to take the test, because I'll have to take it to 3:10. But she told me to be there by 2:50, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to Walmart and get my mom some bins for her nail stuff, because she's been really into doing her nails these last couple of months. So that's what's on the agenda. Finish cleaning my room, and then I still gotta go to work at 6 o'clock. I've been the closing cook for like the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks now since I've been back. So that's fun. I have a lot of stuff to do because I'm finna become an assistant manager. So it's just a lot on my plate between school and work. But I'm really balancing it all right now, and I'm like really proud of myself. So I think I deserve a round of applause. But yeah, anyway, that's what we have going on. Alrighty, I talk to y'all later, I guess, when I get done, when I get there and I study for a little bit. So yeah, I just turn it off when I get to the stop sign. So I'm here. I'm just finna study a little bit. So this test I'm taking, whatever. I took it already. I took the random part already, but I failed it because you can only miss one question, and I missed 3 easy questions. But I just was overthinking them, so I'm here to take the test again. So hopefully this time we can have it one and done. You know, maybe I was stressing myself out. Last time when I was taking the test, I was also working the shift, so I could have just been like not really thinking about the questions too. So I'm just gonna study, and yeah. To say today's been pretty productive. Not really sure you could say it's, I don't know. Would you call this? I would say it's a somewhat productive day, I guess. I'm glad I'm off tomorrow, because then I could just like kind of lay down and chill a little bit, because I'm tired. I really am tired. I'm exhausted. But yeah. We're at Wally World. Ooh, these benches on sale. These are like $20. It's called by Cricket. I'm gonna go straight. Well, so I'm here getting the containers from that. I think these are the containers she wants. She wants 5. She gave me $5. So I got 4. Cause I ain't got no change on me. We're done at Wally World. It is so hot outside. I did not expect it to be 85 degrees today. But those are the bags. I got my mom's stuff. I got me some stuff. I got some pancake sausages, some pizza rolls, and some other stuff. I do like a little haul maybe when I get back. I don't know. I wanted to get some coffee from Dunkin' Donuts, but I probably just wait till I go to work to get it. And my lip gloss is popping. This is some e.l.f. lip gloss I got on my lips because that was the one that was on my wallet. And I freaking love it. It's like $2 freaking. It's one of my favorite lip glosses. It's dirt cheap. But I'm finna go home, finish working on my room, and get ready to go to work. So today, I like to say today's been pretty productive. Not really sure you could say it's, I don't know. Would you call this? I would say it's a somewhat productive day, I guess. I'm glad I'm off tomorrow, because then I could just like kind of lay down and chill a little bit, because I'm tired. I really am tired. I'm exhausted. But yeah, I got these Cheez-Its, these buffalo wing Cheez-Its. I got them because they were buffalo wing flavored. So I'm finna try them. I'm just curious. It's not gonna work. Okay. I'm just curious to see if they're gonna taste good. Just put that right there.
It's probably what killed him.
That's good. It's real good. Time to eating spaghetti. See some leftovers. Let me know if y'all put sugar in your spaghetti. I do. I know a lot more common. But I'm telling you, if you don't try it, cause it tastes good. Then I'll put some barbecue sauce and some dashes of hot sauce in there. Period, and it tastes so good. So after I eat, I just watch TV with my sister. Well, my mom really, because my sister was asleep. So what I'm gonna do is just put on my work clothes and go to work. And I'm gonna order ahead and get a medium coffee from Dunkin'. It's pretty hot outside, so I'm just gonna bring my my migraine medication with me to be on the safe side, because my head does hurt. But I know it hurts because it's hot. It's hot outside. And I wasn't expecting it to be that hot. Oh wow. I had to turn my TV off. The whole time my TV been on, I thought it was off this whole time. I don't know how to turn it off because I got a new TV. Like my old TV, you could do it like from the TV, but this one you can't. So I'm going to do that and then pack up my stuff to go to work. So like my charger, my AirPods, my keys, and other things like that. My name swipe tag and stuff if I need that. So yeah, time for work. All right, it's my turn now. Yes, I had an order for Asia. No, thank you. Period. Order ahead, get you right, I'm telling you. Except if you're gonna order ahead, don't come order ahead at the Sonic I work at, because I will not feed you. So no, yes I will. I have no choice, it's my job. But I'm about to end this real quick because I'm gonna need them to scan my jank. Ooh, skin look good, period. But I'm gonna need them to scan my jank so I can get my points, so I can get a free coffee. Here, yay, girl. My nose just started itching. You ever not your nose, but you ever just have your foot itch, so you just start going like crazy with your foot? I think I forgot to tell them to put creamer in this because this drink tastes like it's missing creamer. But I'm just gonna go into work, clock in, and do my usual, you know? Nothing different. It's been very productive. Maybe I'll show y'all a couple orders of me making food, stocking up, doing things I'm supposed to do. We'll see when I get there. All right. The lighting is hitting so well. Update. It's 10:16. I get off at 1:15. It's been a little slow. It's been busy, but right now, last couple of minutes, like last 30, 45 minutes, it's been really slow. So I'm just stocking up so then I don't have to do it later, so that way I can leave faster. So yeah, I'm back. It's 1:30 in the morning now. And I'm back from work. I'm finna call my boyfriend real quick and be booed up on the phone with my mans. Okay. Well, not really be booed up because he got work, but